Hey, my name is Francisco. I'm from Alaska, Mexico. Live in Alaska now. I'm 40 years old, 42 years old. I just got my hair transplant, and I'm excited so far with the results. And I don't have the results yet. Eventually, I'll be even more happy. I started losing my hair as I was younger, and I heard about hair transplant. Started investigating with some friends. I saw some friends they have done it. And I got more curious and curious over time. Until I saw the results from a couple of my friends back in the US, I started asking questions, what you did, how you did it. So they told me about this place in Turkey. I mean, they told me about all these places are great, but the ones that they did was hair and heel. So I followed the steps that they did. So I saw the results in them, and they were great. So I contact Hair and Heel. I got a really good friend, Alia, and a good translator who helped me all the process. Helped me from step one to now. He's been going with me in all the appointments and been very supportive. So the doctors and the nurses, they do all the work here. And it's been a great experience, especially because I know the results, because I saw the results at my friends back in the US, and they look great. So I'm hoping and have a very sure idea that it's going to be the same for me as well. So that's my story, and I will show you guys eventually if I get the results in about 6 months, 8 months, a year. We'll see how it looks, which is going to be great.